So here it is. Here's my Publix haul at Publix Heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because, yes, they paid me. This is $101.91 for the goods. When it was all said and done, I had an overage moneymaker of $7.66. And yes, folks, that total does include tax. So please, everybody, let's include our tax in our coupon boast. It's only accurate. So this is for the week of July 1st to July 6th. I'm going to be doing this every week on the first day of the sale. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do these deals right away. So let's get right into it. So we got these Tena pads, and they love putting coupons out for these guys. These are I bought 6 of them. Came to $35.09 with tax for 6 of them. And with that said, you're over $30, so you qualify for a rebate. When you spend $30, you get $10 off. I got the link to that rebate below, 4 per household. So I think, well, I think I'm about used 4 now, 5. So I got another house I'm gonna send it to. But so you do that, then there is 3 $5 off of 2 manufacturer coupons from the Smart Source June 27th, so that's 15 off. And then you use 6 from the extra savings books, $2 off each one of those, so that's $12 more off. So in total you have a money maker. When you include the rebate, you have a money maker of $1.91 on those. What else we got? We got the Hodo Tofu. So these guys were $5.99. I did these 2 weeks back. They were on sale for $4.49. It was a better deal then, but still a great deal. $5.99 for these, and there is a manufacturer printable for $2.50 off. Use 3 of them. That's $7.50 off, and you use 3 ibotta rebates. That's $9 more off. So in total, for these 3, it costs $17.97, and after the coupons and ibotta rebates, it only costs you $1.47 for these. And once again, everything builds up to $50. You get your Happy Eats gift card to get $10 more off your total purchase. So that, you know, that really helps. All right, what else we got? We got the Beyond Meat. These are $5.49 BOGO. So 2 of them are $5.49. $2 off manufacturer printable. I got a link to print that below. And you also use a $2 Publix digital coupon because there's a limit of 1 on these. So a lot of Publix digital coupons this week, and I'm going to get into that. So now Suave, where this is the 2-in-1. So if you get the 2-in-1, that's hair and body. These are on sale for $1.69 with tax. They come to $3.67. You use $2.50 off Suave hair care products from the Save June 27th. So that's $3 off right there. You use a $1 off of 2 store coupon from the extra savings book, and you got a 33-cent money maker on those 2 right there. All right, now let's get into this one. This one was a good one, and basically this is the coupon you got to find. This is a pretty tough one to find. It's on a red cardboard kind of display will be kind of like at the end of the aisle, and I got to get 2 of them here. Expires July 4th, so you got some little bit of time on there. But it's basically $4 off of 4 Colgate Palmolive products. So with that said, I bought 8 of them. So I bought 5 Softsoap and 3 Colgate products. 1, 2, and 3 for the mouthwash. The mouthwash and all the toothpaste and toothbrush are on sale for $3 each. When you add that in, that's another $1 off of those, so they come to $2. And then there's a digital coupon, Publix digital coupon for $2 off, $2 off, $2 off of all of them. So making them free. We're just paying the tax on these. Softsoap are the same kind of deal. These are on sale for $2. And there's a Peely. Everybody wants that Peely. I know. I still got 2 more because there's also a printable. So you can use 2 printables. That's a limit on there, and use 3 Peelys when you get 5 of them, and 2 of those. And then there's a ibotta rebate as well, so you're getting $2.50 more back on that. So after all these, it was $20.62, getting $19 back. Rowdy was on there as a free Publix digital coupon, so clip that. Only cost 21 cents. You just pay the tax. Lipton was $1.79 for these guys, and there's a $1 off that was emailed to you from the Unilever. And if you use 2 of those, you've got a 21-cent moneymaker after tax. So once again, paid to shop, $7.66. Please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there and check out more cool stuff right here. Once again, paid to shop.